Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make these like cute hats on Dress to Impress. The first hat we'll be doing is the fish hat. So for this one we will be actually my brain's lagging. We'll be using this hairstyle. That's the point. And I'm just going to color it blue. You can just use the hairstyle if you would like to. Then select this hat and then select no ears, and I'm going to color it the same blue. Then I'm going to add this on. Select on head and I'm going to just color it pink. What even is that color code? I'll just do that. Then we're going to add this on and we're going to color it the same blue as the rest of our fish. And then I'm going to use this too for the like blush. And then for the eyes, we'll be using this headband, color it white and then black. You can make it lower if you'd like to for something more funny. And that is for the fish hat. For the crab hat, I'm just going to remove this one, this one, this one, and this. We're going to color that like red and then black, and then for the hat we're going to use the red color. Then for the crab legs we'll be using this for it, like so. And those are the hats that I can make. I was about to make the shark one, but I can't anymore because they've changed the hat, so it's fine. It's cool. You could say that that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.